Come test drive the 2019 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.